Absolutely, there's a lot of money in Forex, but this is a couple of things you need to understand. Here's some stats I'm going to share with you for you to understand. One, for those who are in Forex and you're not making money. Number two, for those who are about to get into Forex, this is important for you to understand. Stats show that 95% out of all people who trade, they don't make money. In other words, out of 10 people, 9.5 don't make money, right? Another stat number two. It shows that on average, the people who don't make money, they win 2 out of 10 times in the market. 2 out of 10 times, that's their win ratio. And then people who are really good at trading will win between 4 to 5. And then institutional level traders, they will win between 6 and 7. So 6 and 7, 60 to 70% win rate in the market is what they would hit at, right? In other words, out of 100 trades, they'll win 60 to 70 times. And then obviously the elites are 70 to 80%. Very rarely, guys, and in fact, it's impossible to hit 100% win rate in the market like every single day. And then the market must be your uncle, right? But it's important to understand what makes a person win in the market versus what makes them lose, right? One of the things that's very important is data. Many people don't have the correct data. A lot of people have data that allows them only to win once every 4 times. The people who win often are people who have insights. Same thing, I always make this stupid example, but everybody understands it and I mention it. You have an option to predict the weather. What are you going to use? Your eyes or a weather app? Weather app, why? Because the weather app considers things your eyes don't see. And why is it important for you to know what the weather is going to be like? So you know what to pack. You know how to prepare yourself for the future, right? To take advantage of the weather conditions. Same thing, markets have conditions. If you don't know, don't have enough data, you don't know liquidity in the market. You without proper liquidity, you don't understand momentum. Without proper momentum, you don't understand proper direction in the market. Without proper direction, you're gonna be stopped out. You said the market's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, right? There was not enough data for you to be able to read what is happening in the market, and as a consequence, where you've bought, you're supposed to have sold. Where you've sold, you're supposed to buy. Guys, it's simple, right? It's getting the right data. And so tonight at 8 p.m., we are doing a free masterclass on the proper data that you can be using, the proper strategy that should be informed by your data, and also how that will affect your trading psychology. So if you want to be part of that exclusive call tonight at 8 p.m., it's going to be on Zoom. Right now, DM me Zoom and your WhatsApp number, and I will hook you up. God bless you. See at the top. At the bottom is overcrowded.